All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to load the families into your project. So what I have here is I've opened up just a normal Revit project, and I've got the beginnings of my floor plan, and now I want to load my families that I just purchased. So you should have already unpacked them and saved them wherever you want. You could have saved them in your typical library location where you keep all of your families. Maybe you have them on your desktop, maybe you have them on the company server. As long as you know where you save those, that's all that's really required for this step. So the first way to do it is you go to the Insert tab and you load family. And now all you have to do is navigate to where you saved those. I just put them on my desktop. So I'm just going to go there, and you can just pick from here what families you want loaded. So I'm going to maybe load all of my electrical outlets. So I'm just going to shift select all of these and click open. And it's just going to take a moment to sit and open all of those and load them into my project. The other thing that you might get when you're loading is you might get another dialog that pops open that says Revit is converting the family up to whatever version of Revit you're using. The families I created and made in Revit version 2019, so that I made sure to capture most users, because you can always convert up a version in Revit, but you can't convert back. So if you're in Revit 2023, you're going to get a little dialog box that says it's converting it to 2023, and then it will load it. So you just have to click through those. So now you can see I'm back to my project, and if I go over here to my browser and open up the families, sorry, one second, right here, and I go to electrical fixtures, you can see here are all my outlets. And I can just, if I want to start putting in my duplex outlets, I can just drag and drop them over into my view. Oh, but I accidentally picked the floor hosted and I don't have a floor yet. Let's do the wall hosted outlet. And if I just drag that over in here, I can start placing all my floor outlets. So it's that easy. That's one way you can do it. The other way you could do is you could open up the folder where you stored the families, and let's load in the lights. So I'm going to click on lights, and if I just want one of these lights, I can grab it. So let's grab the chandelier, and you can just drag and drop it into the file, and that will also load the family into your project. So those are the two most common ways to bring the files in. The other way you could do it is if you were in, I'm just going to switch over here. Here's the project example file that I created that comes with your download. Another thing you can do is you can come in here and let's look in 3D. Say you know you want this light fixture. You can also grab this and you can Control-C to copy it, and then you can paste it into your project and it'll bring it in that way. So if you want to go shopping in the example project for the light that you want, because it's sometimes easier to visually see what everything is rather than try to read the names of the families, you can also do it that way. So good luck, and thank you for using our families.